How to hide Facebook mutual friends on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to hide Facebook mutual friends on Android. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, you need to launch Facebook app and log into your account. After that, you need to tap on three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down, locate Settings and Privacy, and tap on it. Tap Settings. On the Settings and Privacy page, scroll down and you will get different kinds of option. Simply under Audience and Visibility, choose how people find and contact you. And here you will get different options. At the top, you will see under your friends who can see your friend list. Simply select Only Me button. And if you have chosen your audience to public or friends or a specific friends, you need to choose to Only Me. And then your Facebook mutual friends on Android will be hidden from Facebook. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.